Welcome to Art Among the Flowers, Wine Down Wednesday. We're going to start a new feature featuring the wines that we carry here. Yes, Art Among the Flowers carries wine, champagne, and beer. And today we're going to feature a Chardonnay. We have CLOS du BOIS. It is a great wine chilled by itself, or you can add it, pair it with some chicken, fish, or pasta. You can buy this bottle, as I said, as a standalone, or you can add it to any of our gourmet gift baskets with fruit, cheese, crackers. So CLOS du BOIS is our featured wine today. It's a Chardonnay. It is a classic Chardonnay. It offers bright, fresh flavors of apple, pear, and citrus mingled with hints of butter and toasty oats. It's great chilled by itself, paired with chicken, fish. Just a great Chardonnay. Come on by, get a free tasting, or visit our website, Art Among the Flowers, and click on our wine tab to find out more. Hope to see you soon.